Morning guys, it's our first day in Singapore and my goodness, it has been a hell of a day. It is so hot here. It's actually hotter than Samoa. I thought it was like the same temperature as Samoa. There is no sun and it's just humid all the time, 24/7 in the night time. Our aircon wasn't working in this hotel. We had a disastrous experience at the Noble Hotel, Zen Rooms, Vendemere. And so we've decided to relocate to another hotel which is much more luxurious and the aircon is working there. So I'm just organizing for an Uber.
This hotel is not, to be honest, toilets and bathrooms.
It was so bad. I had like the biggest upset moment last night. Siaosi fell asleep as soon as we got to the hotel. And I was like on the phone for 2 hours with this reception here and Zen Rooms, who we booked it through. Just spent 2 hours going back and forth. They kept telling me to call them, that I would call that person. They said no, you have to call the reception. So I just kept going back and forth. Got to a point where I just said, okay, I'm not calling anyone else. You're going to help me. I booked through you. I don't want to be here and I don't like this hotel. This aircon doesn't work. I've come from a place where it's very cold, and for me to be in this humid country I need aircon. And they finally listened to me. So we'll be getting a refund after today. So like we stayed one night, which obviously we'll have to pay for, but we'll get a refund for the rest. It is smoking humid hot. It's so hot that my camera is fogging. Look, even look at the windows. It feels like we're in a sauna. It literally does. We booked our Uber like 5 minutes ago and I can see his GPS and he just keeps going round and round and round and round and round in circles. I don't think he knows where Zen Rooms is. I should have wrote the Noble Hotel. Finally in our Uber now. It's very hot.
What's that?
This
No.
or that?
Yeah, that.
The purifier. This
A purifier.
purifier, solar.
Oh, really? Good.
Oh, I thought we were smoking marijuana. Well, good on you.
That's nice.
It is much nicer than where we were staying.
So nice.
That is so nice. Thank you so much. Hello. This is great service. Oh my god. Isn't this so cool, honey?
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, but 4 numbers.
What? This is amazing. Thank you. Oh, what happens to our bags? This is a massive difference where we were staying at.
Yeah.
So happy.
So nice.
So happy. Well, we haven't gotten to the rooms yet, so shouldn't speak too early. The chandeliers. I always look red. I swear I'm not that red in person. But the only problem that we had was that come closer. The amount that was advertised is different to the amount you charged. But that's because in the T&Cs it said excluding taxes. So it was, we were led to believe it was cheaper than advertised, but listen, we've had a rough night. There was no aircon in our room and it is so hot here, so I was just like, you know what, whatever, we're just gonna stay here. It is amazing. This is our first impression. I mean, we haven't gone up to the rooms yet. I did read the reviews and they did say it was quite spacious, and in the rooms they also get like a phone. You get given like a mobile phone which you can make free calls to 7 countries. I think Australia would be one of them. But you get that phone for your whole stay. It's got data on it, and yeah, so I think that's pretty cool as well. They've got a lot of renovations happening, so it's quite noisy, but hey, just walking into this reception beats where we were staying, which you probably could see. Yeah, they've got renovations going on.
560.
So much better. This bathroom is so amazing, seriously. This is honestly so much better. They've even got a phone. That's the phone we were telling you guys about. How awesome is this? Yay! I love it so much. Okay guys, I'm gonna finish editing this vlog. Look how nice it is. Singapore City! We just ordered some room service because I've been editing the vlog all day and I didn't want to go out. It was quite expensive because this is a very expensive hotel, but that's okay. We're just gonna eat here one time today for lunch because we haven't eaten all day since pretty sure the airport, honey? On the plane yesterday when we arrived at around 6 p.m. We haven't eaten since, so we're quite hungry. It's about, what time is it here? It's about 1 Singapore time, and we've just ordered, I ordered a nasi goreng and Siaosi ordered a beef burger with fries, so that's gonna be coming soon. So I'm almost finished. Oh, wonderful. Oh, sorry. I don't know, where can you put it? Just on that table then? Seriously, can you make room? Sorry. This one's mine.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yum. That's yours, baby.
This is so nice.
It's probably so nice because we haven't eaten for like almost a whole day. We're getting ready to go out now. We're not sure where we're going. We're going to go for a walk. Oh, there's a 7-Eleven here. We just need to get something. Their 7-Eleven is much different to ours. They've got alcohol even. This ice cream is so nice. I've never tasted a flavor like this before. Singapore is so beautiful. South Africa.
Cecil Afrika. Kamarin ko yung Cecil Afrika pa yung umire pili
Oh my god, that's a South African Sevens team! Look how beautiful those buildings are. Can't believe that's the South African Sevens team. It is so hot that my eyes are even leaking. They're watering. Of course, trust us not to bring any signs.
So this is a beautiful country.
Look how nice this is, guys. That's a closer shot of the Marina Bay Sands. It's got a boat up the top of it.
There's many people come here to visit and see and look what so beautiful. It's so beautiful, to be honest. Look, this building is so nice. It looks like crab.
That's so cool, honey. I want one. Famous coconut ice cream. Guys, we're just getting ready to go for dinner and it's almost 8 o'clock and my nose ring is so sore. because I popped it.
Oh.
Yeah, I popped that little big circle thing that was around the ring, the nose ring, and now it's bleeding. It's really red, but doesn't matter. It won't stop me from eating. He thought that was funny. We're gonna do a video when we get back, probably in the next couple of days, of a Australian MRE. It's a ration pack. I got it from a friend who was in Army Reserve, and I work with him. Sorry, I had to just change my hair. I did not like how it was before, and I work with him, so I asked him to give me one. So he took most of the goodies out of it. So it's not a complete pack, but majority of it is still there. Hey, big fella?
Yes, big fella.
Are you ready to go, big fella?
Big fella.
How's my hair now, huh? 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 Nah, I like it. Alright, alright, alright. You're the prettiest girl I ever did see. Except for that big red nose ring. My nose is so sore. Kiss it and make me feel better. Oh, thank you, honey. It's alright, babe.
I told you.
Don't judge me.
You judge of your whole issue.
We have no idea what to eat. But the food is so cheap. Like each dish says like $4, $3, $6. Somebody commented on our vlogs tonight and said to get the Laksa something. Let me check my phone.
What about that food?
What about this food, honey? This is Singaporean food, isn't it? Is this Chinese? Did you know where some Singapore food is? Oh, now she's saying it's Singapore. The lady lied to us. I was like, is this Chinese? She was like, yes, yes, Chinese. And then I was like, oh, but we're looking for Singapore food, Singaporean dishes. And she was like, oh, no, 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 Singapore, Singapore. We're like, woman, we weren't born last night. Yeah, it's a colourful bridge. Look how pretty. It's so pretty, isn't it?
Both.
We need to go on that, honey. Look how beautiful that is. We got a closer view. And that swinger in the background over there. Extreme Swing Singapore.
What's your phone?
It's in your bag. Find where we can pay for the the boat. Pay to go on the boat. Look how cool this is. I think this is a love lock. People buy like locks and they come and tie it on the lock love. I'm gonna call it the lock love tree. How cool is that? They've even got photos, there's ribbons. Oh baby, we didn't buy our lock for ourselves. And they tie their love here. It feels so weird that like everything is still open here. Usually in Australia everything closes at around 4 or 5 depending on which day of the week, but this is like open forever. They've even got like bag stores, shoe stores are still open. You want to try some ice cream? Hokkaido ice cream. The vanilla cone? Oh, no, that's it. Look how cool they are. I found some more love locks. You lock your love. Here. That is so cool. I cannot believe it. Whoa. Even got photos and everything. Yeah, you can buy it, babe. You want to buy one? We just paid to go on the cruise, so we're starting off here at the central area, and then it goes all the way around.
So you can sit around when the boat is here.
Goes to the Liang Court. Then we can just Uber it home. So busy. I just can't believe that everything is still open. It just trips me out, man. Thank you. Oh, thank you so much. That is so pretty.
She said it is. We're in that one there. Here on the post, just go around, have a look, and see how nice it is.
Oh, that's what we need to go on, that flyer. I feel so dizzy, guys, and I just want to go home, but Siaosi still wants to walk around for a bit. And it looks like this is a club over here. But we ain't gonna go in there because we are not about that life, yo.